Hey there, young crafters. Welcome to Minecraft Resource Tables. Today, we're going to learn how to use tables to keep track of our resources in Minecraft. So what is a table? A table is like a chest that helps us organize our resources. We can use tables to keep track of how many resources we have and make it easier to find what we need. Let's create a table to track our resources. We'll need to decide what resources we want to track. Let's say we want to track our wood, stone, and diamonds. We'll also add a column for the day so we can track how much we collect each day. Here's what our table might look like. Day, wood, stone, diamonds. Day 1, 10, 5, 2. Day 2, 15, 8, 3. Day 3, 20, 10, 4. We can add more rows for each day and update the numbers as we collect more resources. Now that we have our resources in the table, we can use it to help us manage them. We can see at a glance how many resources we have and make decisions about what to craft or build next. As we collect more resources, we'll need to update our table. We can add or remove resources from the table as needed. That's it for today's Minecraft resource tables. I hope you learned how to use tables to keep track of your resources in Minecraft. Remember, tables are a powerful tool that can help you manage your resources and build amazing things in Minecraft. Please like this video if you found it helpful,